Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into common English verb collocations. Master these word combinations and you'll instantly sound more natural, fluent, and confident when you speak. We're covering 12 of the most essential verbs today, including make, do, take, get, and look. So let's jump right in. Make. Used for building, creating, or causing a specific result that wasn't there before. Make a cake. Make a call. Make noise. Make trouble. Make believe. Do. Used when talking about jobs, duties, obligations, or non-specific activities. Do the laundry. Do a favor. Do the math. Do hair. Do harm. Take. Used for grabbing an opportunity, choosing an option, or performing a routine action. Take a cab. Take a look. Take a risk. Take turns. Take your time. Have. Used to describe possessing an abstract asset, hosting an event, or experiencing a sensation. Have a drink. Have a rest. Have a laugh. Have sympathy. Have a clue. Get. Used to show a transition from one state to another or obtaining something. Get angry. Get sick. Get a promotion. Get in trouble. Get a point. Go. Used to express moving away from your current location or starting an activity. Go to college.
Go jogging. Go for coffee. Go to sleep. Go wrong. Come. Used to show arriving at a destination or moving toward the speaker. Come first. Come true. Come forward. Come second. Come up with. Keep. Used to describe maintaining a state, holding on to a secret, or repeating an action. Keep fit. Keep an eye on. Keep in mind. Keep a promise. Keep distance. Let. Used when giving permission, offering assistance, or introducing a suggestion. Let her cook. Let us know. Let them talk. Let it go. Let me think. Put. Used for changing the physical location of an object or combining things. Put up with. Put off. Put aside. Put across. Put out. Turn. Used for altering a physical direction or controlling the power of electronics. Turn over. Turn around. Turn back. Turn red. Turn out. Look. Used for directing your vision, searching for items, or resembling someone else. Look up to. Look back at. Look good on. Look forward to. Look over. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.